Being perceived as intimidating can often come as a surprise, especially if it doesn't align with your self-perception. People might find you intimidating for a variety of reasons, many of which are linked to your demeanor, communication style, and the way you carry yourself. Here are 12 signs that might suggest you're more intimidating than you realize. Number 1. Strong eye contact. You maintain direct eye contact when speaking with others. While this can be a sign of confidence, some may find it overwhelming or assertive. Number 2. Confidence. Your confidence in your abilities and in expressing yourself can make others feel less assured about their own abilities or ideas. Number 3. Direct communication. You communicate your thoughts and feelings openly and directly, which can be daunting to those who are more reserved or indirect. Number 4. Serious demeanor. You have a serious or thoughtful demeanor, often appearing pensive or focused, which might make you seem unapproachable. Number 5. Self-sufficiency. You rarely seek help from others and often prefer to handle things on your own, which might make you appear as if you don't need anyone else. Number 6. Success and competence. Your achievements and competence in your field can be intimidating to others who might feel they don't measure up. Number 7. Decisiveness. You make decisions quickly and firmly, showing little hesitation, which can be intimidating to those who are more indecisive. Number 8. Minimal small talk. You prefer meaningful conversations and may avoid small talk, which can make it harder for people to feel comfortable around you initially. Number 9. Intense focus. You are highly focused and driven towards your goals, which can be intimidating to those who have a more laid-back approach to life and work. Number 10. Reserved nature. If you're naturally introverted or reserved, people might interpret your quietness as aloofness or disinterest.